This is no 20 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Mall of Africa Bafana watch party. Baf
Kunjani futhi?
Eshamjani mfethu?
Cha, bekuyabanda.
Kuyabanda la bafana basigotolisa kanje for opportunity.
Yazi the game maybe fun man. In a way ukuthi iMexico nayo if besi apply a certain strength of giving the ball to the final third.
Exactly.
We could have done something because I think Uruko Prusa understood why he played a double 9 in Reiners and Foster. And then overloading the midfield ngama CDM and then as good pusher ngapha ngomuda ngapha pushing Modiba. But the game plan didn't work. I think Mexico study kahle yabona ukuthi okay if badlala so bafethu zobadlala so.
Yeah.
But for me, it was the first time I see Hugo Bruce utilizing two strikers. You remember, guys, see that Petty.
Exactly,
because the Petty it doesn't work in a full backs. Because I'm a full backs, you work over Ludisangale Pambile, then you have a false 9. If you are playing with a false 9, I'm a full backs, it will always work.
And being a
false 9, yeah, being echo. So you're playing with two full 9s and udayideng uFoster bayibizana lento momentum yakhe ne bayibizana ukudlala kwakhe kuphansi that boy moral thank you his moral is very very low so I would have not started him. I would have started with Reynolds and put another and put a false 9 behind Reynolds maybe uthi Reynolds uthi Mshishi. I understand so that you can make these guys they dance and then they play. Then Urenas, we know Urenas has got a goal in each and every game. But unfortunately, his game plan is his game plan. His analysis, he knows what is analyzed in terms of looking at Mexico. But Mexico had the better game plan because they scored two goals, you know. The second goal, I think, it
was coming, yeah. It was coming.
You understand?
I even thought it's gonna be offside, but unfortunately, and now Umtao, he was very late.
Yeah, and the man Bodlela now Vala Dom,
oh yes, exactly, yeah.
Vala Manji offside.
Exactly, yeah.
And the first goal, obviously, they were trying to play from the back, but playing from the back with these types of players, it's their strength. And then you must also remember with Bruce, he's utilizing the strength of these players to say, okay, guys, we want the space behind. So now pull them in so that we can get that space. And you played, and it worked. Offside, if you remember, when offside it worked.
Exactly.
When he pulled them and then they played it, and but Mudiba unfortunately.
I think it was TLP.
Yes. So now Uyaya. What I think he lacks now is mirrors as a CDM because a CDM always has mirrors because once you bambi bola that space in the middle is very crucial and like D-line is very crucial.
Attacker fast
ehlakaniphile iyakupressa ikulose control upanicking ngesikhathi uthola ne red card which is what has happened. So I think Hugo Bruce needs just to go to the drawing board. He lose two crucial players in Ngama red card. It's fine. Mshishi had luck. That's so. It was not what we expected because Mshishi, I think this was his send off.
Exactly.
You know what I mean?
It was a literal send off now.
Yes, it was a beautiful send off because the coach, I think, when he put him in, he was just saying to him, "Banam humble, go save us."
Exactly.
Because Mshishi was going to be able to save us. But also, you see now with Tito Waibegafune.
Ashdod. Yeah, it's because but even Umremi, Umremi would have done something.
No, Umremi, it was not going to be his game totally because remember what these guys were doing. They were pushing us wide and it was Vale Paga.
Exactly.
You understand? So now Umremi is that player who needs to cut in. Manje Tito bekazowenzani bekazobahlukumeza and uTito yamazi udlala njengomshishi bekazofuna ama pocket afika bamba ibhola 10 alibusele move yes alithatha alise phambili Shuti I created that abahluphe bangazi ukuthi bayenzini. That's when now we going uReynolds was going to be free. Naye umdlali mhlawumbe ufana noMuremi Fukhona was going to be able to be free. Akhona thola ibhola kushama snapshot because we needed only 3 touches to score.
Easy like that.
Easy like that. But now the problem is Mexico realized, and what Mexico did, what I respect about them, they played to our strength.
Exactly. Yeah.
You understand? That's why when uMrembule bebenza uMrembule bengathi makabamba ibhola bebenza sure ukuthi lo muntu angadlali. Bebangamfrustrate ngokumkampa or anything. Bebavala bebamazi ukuthi makathe akumelanga abe nespace lo muntu.
Exactly. Yeah.
So I think it was a beautiful game of football to watch, and I respect Mexico how they respected us and gave us.
And gave us before.
Yes, they passed big, but unfortunately, Puti, we lost. I think now this game, they must just keep their head up. The negative narrative that's going to come out of this, because there's a lot of rhetoric obviously that's going to come.
Exactly.
But they must just make sure that they don't listen to that. Regroup, go back. I'm a player. My name is here now. Replace alama player phumile and I think now it's time the coach utilize le ntwana le Mofokeng. Yeah, next game akamfake amfake nge-9-9 amenza i-9 mara siyazi ukuthi udlala false 9 no hayi uReynolds or ngwana sisi sike sibone ukuthi kuzenzakalani and then adza abone ukuthi who's fit amfake mfethu sibone ngoba sisele ngama game ayi2 ayiseke into singayenza basifile sine -2 goals.
Exactly. You just mentioned Mofokeng ukuthi amfake as one of the changes. Who else do you want ukuthi amfake bengamfaka namhlanje or the starting lineup?
That's why I'm saying you know the coach is the one who sees a change a training when they train for any game.
Yeah.
Who's fit, who's not fit, mentally and physically. So I would not say mina ngizokhuluma ngama-player ngiwathandayo and I'll be wrong. So I'm thinking coach should stick to his plan because ubani osilethela mnganami e-World Cup. Mina ngiyabezwa abantu bayakhuluma uyosilethela after how many from that 2010 saya ngoba bese host.
More than 20.
Yeah, I understand. More than 20 years. So I still believe and trust in the coach. The problem, the level of competition that is there is very high.
And Intwana's first time pedala to
exactly. So it nathi yasinikeza ngesinye isikhathi ama competition aso asinikeza ukuthi bafethu ibani serious. That's why Hugo Bruce wakwasithathwa sise France was holisa. And if you remember masihole lapha we were never the same. If you remember we were never the same. We were a better team when we came back from France.
Exactly.
Now this could be a learning curve and for the next coach who's going to come, because remember Hugo Bruce but now that coach is going to come also is going to have a huge task. And nathi the problem ngathi ama fans of South Africa is not thank you course. We are very ungrateful. You know, when I saw a video of Mpizo, because the patriotism that we should be carrying now, after so many years in to sing a World Cup.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
Then we're gonna say you're gonna buy skipper say Mexico. That pained me, and you know, I ngapekalela Khotmane and akumula. Pers with skipper say Kaizer Chiefs, and then looking and thinking of the history. What is he thinking in his mind to say this man is supporting my team, but he's removing my hard work for a Mexican T-shirt that is what he's celebrating South Africa.
Imagine,
the guys practice you know, I almost died because I was looking at that and I was like, what happened to us understanding what is football in its essence? Today I'm a player as a present. We're beaten because of play.
Exactly.
Ungaza nawe kusasuze nge-11 yakho bayishaya. Ungaza nge-11 yakho usurprise siwin. What do you do? What do you say? But why don't we stand behind our team? Ngesinye isikhathi mangibheka wena, I'm proud of seeing you ukuthi usasene skipper sa 2010. It means you are still patriotic no matter what. Siyadliwa siyawin. Remember mfethu stadium besingayini if you remember.
Exactly, ngiyakhumbula.
Ikipa lezi so
empty. Exactly.
Khona manje ikipa la mongena kuphi ema shop la sithenga strong. Monga le shop lena intwana yami ifuna skipper not studio it lapha na kule entsha ka Dr. Kuman. Hinde old school. Intwana yami ifuna i-small ayikho phela. Sela ama double XL.
Exactly.
Because abo small yini ngithatha ikipa so it means that that love, that flame.
Strong,
so we need to keep that. Even if this time we're not gonna make it, but we should go behind our team and push and pray with the Kaizer Chiefs now yourself comes back because we need Chiefs.
Exactly.
No man but I know in my back of my mind I know with if Chiefs is not there, there's a problem. 7-6, but it doesn't mean much we must turn against Bafana and turn against our country. So when also things keep us in Mexico. So to enter Mexico.